Alright, in this exercise we will solve the following problem. Here it says write a program that takes an integer in the range of 20 to 98 as an input. Okay, the output is a countdown starting from the integer which is entered by the user and stopping when both output digits are identical. Okay, what does that mean? Well, let's take an example over here. If the user input, for example, 93, the program should print 93, 92, 91, 90, okay, and 89, and 88. And stop. Why stopped over here? Why did not continue? Because we do not have, these two digits are identical, 8 and 8. Okay, so we need to write a program that will do that. Okay, it's so much easier and it's very achievable to solve this problem using a while loop. Okay, so we're going to use a while loop to solve this problem. Yes, we are studying the for loops, but this is a very important problem to see, and it's going to be solved by using while loop. All right, so, and also in the question it says, if the user input a number that is not in the range, the program should tell the user input must be in the range from 20 to 98. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the program. We're going to start the program in a very basic way. Let's go at the beginning, make sure the number entered by the user is in the range. So first we're going to ask the user for the integer. Okay, and we're going to say input, and then we're going to say enter a number. Okay, and then this number entered by the user, we want to make sure that this number is in the range. Okay, so I'm going to say if num is less than 20 or num is greater than 98. So that if one of them is true, okay, that means the number is not in the range. What I'm going to say, I'm just going to say print until the user input must be 20 to 98. Okay, just that's it. Else, that means the number entered by the user is in the range. So now it's going to start the work. Okay, here is the main part. Okay, so everything over here we did is very basic. We have input statement to get the number. We checked if it's in the range. If it's not in the range, tell the user it's not in the range. Else, that means it's in the range. Let's do the problem. Let's solve the problem. Print countdown. Okay, so I'm going to print the number first, which is num, and then I'm going to continue printing until these two numbers are identical. Okay, so best way to do it is to use a while loop. Okay, I'm going to say while loop, while. Okay, I'm going to show you a trick over here. Okay, I'm going to say while num modulo 11 is not equal to 0, do the following. Num minus equal 1, so I decrement it by 1, countdown, print it. Okay, and that's it. That's the program. Let me explain to you the while loop. What does that while loop means here? Okay, in the else part, this highlighted area, that means the number is in the range of 20 to 98. Okay, so which is good. So the program wants you to print out the number entered by the user and keep count down all the way until the two digits are identical. Okay, so here this line is going to print the number, which is going to be the first output. The while loop is going to take care of the countdown. Okay, so the countdown is gonna start, it's gonna have a condition over here. If num modulo 11 is not equal to 0, when is it gonna be if I have a number in this range? Okay. When is these two digits, it's gonna be 2 digits only. When is these two digits gonna be identical? If I say modulo 11 and the result was 0. Let me show you something here over here. Okay, let me show you something over here. Okay, here, just a new shell. Okay, I'm gonna say, for example, let me start it again just to make it clear. Ideal here. Let me show you this example over here. If I say, let's say 25 modulo 11, the result is 3. What if I say 22 modulo 11? The result is 0. What if I say 33 modulo 11? The result also 0. If I say, for example, 88 modulo 11, the result also 0. So anytime these two digits are the same, modulo 11 is going to give me 0. So my program, I'm saying, if the number that I have, modulo 11, is not equal to 0, which is good, I want to print this number. Well, I'm not going to print it first because I already printed the number. I'm going to decrement it by 1 and then print it again and go to the while loop and test it, and so on and so forth until we get to the point where the two numbers are identical. I'm going to print it and stop. Let's run the program and see how it looks like. Okay, here's asking me. I'm going to say 96. The output is 96, 95, all the way, 98, 88, and stopped. What if I say the output is 79? It gave me 79, 78, and 77, and stopped. What if I say, for example, 32? It gave me 32, 31, all the way until 22, and so on and so forth. And this is the problem. This is the solution for the problem. While loop helped us a lot. The trick over here was with the expression over here. We use the modulo, and when I say it's modulo 11, this is the only case where the two numbers are going to be the same, or the two digits going to be the same. I'm going to continue if the result of that modulo is not equal to 0. Okay.